Tower of San Antonio outside. We'll back up, back up, back up. We have a nice little seating nook, place for your foot, a place for your belongings, whatever you want on the table. Cool design and a cool light. We'll keep on backing up some more and we'll see our desk, artwork, and lamp. The chair does swivel around. We come and see our, twin size bed? I'm pretty sure that's not a queen. And we have two of them. One table in the middle. We got our clock as well as the phone. We'll keep on turning back around. We'll see where we came from. And then with the desk, it is a TV as well. We do have a mini fridge and safe. This is our coffee station. We'll turn and we have this door. We can push it all the way in to see our front door, where we have a maximum room rate of 750. Not bad. I've seen way higher. There is a mirror here. We'll turn to the bathroom. Good lighting around the mirror. And yep, we have the Balmain products. Petty. Let's see if we have the hair dryer right there. Toilet and artwork. And it looks like we have a tub. Good sized tub. And then our shower head is here. More Balmain products. And what that door was actually for is the closet. It just opens super wide. We have our iron and ironing board. So we'll close this. And folks, this is the room.